The world as we know it is a valuable gift, and we're doing our best to preserve it for the generations to come. COCO-MAT listens to Mother Nature. We believe that whatever she provides for us has a reason and a function, and sometimes properties are yet to be discovered and understood. Our products are made from 100% natural and environmentally friendly materials. Our factories have no chimneys. Waste products are used for the creation of new products, and our recycling rate reaches 96%. We draw light from the sun and solar cells. Without smog or noise, and by working with our hands, we devote innumerable hours to our products to ensure perfection. COCO-MAT embraces people from any cultural, racial, religious, and political background. Today, COCO-MAT employs people of 28 different nationalities and 9 different religions. We were inspired by Morpheus, shaper of dreams, and Hippocrates, the father of medicine. Following their principles, we developed natural, healthy, and metal-free sleep. Your body becomes feather light. Your mind surrenders to silence. Sleep like a baby in your snug COCO-MAT environment. We listen to nature. Do you?